All right, you are welcome once again to our YouTube channel, a place where we share a proper guideline on how to earn a digital product. So today we are going to talk about the market condition. Remember, the beauty of this market condition in the crypto industry is when the project or the product or the coins is being pumping or is being increasing in value. That is when the community and the holder of each product will be excited. So today I bring to you one of the excited news concerning this particular market condition, and we are going to start with BTC, which is Bitcoin, one of the superior coin in the crypto industry. So after that, we will talk about BNB and Ethereum and also XRP. So that is what we are going to discuss for today and any other coin. Remember that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin increase in value, other coins will as well increase, will as well pump up. So if Bitcoin pump in price, other coins is as well be pumped up. So that is why if Bitcoin is growing, we are happy. So a meme coin is one of the projects in the crypto industry. So as long as BTC is pumping in price, meme coin will as well pump in price, but not all. All of the meme coin cannot be pumping at the same time. So I'll show you the few ones that can be pumping as in is doing well as of now. So now let's go to this CMC market cap. As you can see, the maximum supply of market cap is 3.65 trillion. As you can see, that is the market cap as of today. As you can see over here, look at it. So today you are going to take a look at this particular one that said BNB. Let's click on this BNB. Let's click on it. So as you can see, Bitcoin is trading at 117,325 US dollar. So as you can see, it's increasing, but currently it's down. It was up a little bit, now it's heading down. So that is the chart. So if you understand the chart very properly, you know that the higher the chart is, the higher the value. The lower the chart and is the lower of the value, but currently is suitable. The price is suitable. So as you can see, the price is suitable. So that is why you need to be excited about this market as of now. But the reason is that we are on the bull run. We are on the period when all coins that always be on the high side. So you can invest or you can sell your product. You can buy coins, hold for a period of time, or you can sell. But I will reveal to you the particular coin you will buy as of now. So, but that will be a separate video and it will be for another day. So now let's check another thing you need to know. The total supply of Bitcoin is 25 million, 21 million. The maximum supply is 19.85 billion BTC. So it ranks number one in the market. So that shows that is the superior to all of them. So another thing you need to know is the market. So BTC is being traded in almost all the exchanges. As you can see, almost all the exchanges, they are trading BTC in there, including KuCoin, OKX, Bygate, Bigate, so and so many of them is being traded there. So that is what you need to know about BTC. So let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum is heading to 3,000 US dollar. As you can see, it's going up as of now. It's going up, it's heading up. So as you can see, Ethereum is heading to 3,000 US dollar, but as of currently, it's suitable at 2,938 US dollar. So that is the current price of Ethereum. So as you can see, another thing you need to know about Ethereum is the total supply, which is one total supply, which is it's not show over here, but the maximum supply is to 121.72 million Ethereum. So and it ranks 2 in the market, which takes the chance of 9.75 say 70% of the market. So that is all about Ethereum. So let's go back. Let's talk about XRP. So let's check another place. Let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about this XRP. So XRP is heading up. It's heading up as of now. It's trading as $2.73. So as you can see, the total supply of a XRP is 99.99 billion XRP, but it has this good potential. So let's go back. For this video not to be too long, let's do it as quick as possible. Let's talk about this BNB. Let's talk about BNB. So BNB, we're expecting BNB to hit 700 US dollar. So, but currently it's trading at 685.52 cents. So as you can see, the price is heading up. So we expect BNB to be 700 US dollar in few times now. So now, as you can see, it's ranked 5. The total supply is 139.29 million BNB token as of then. So that is all you need to know about this particular project called BNB. So that is all you need to know about BNB. So another thing you need to understand is this overview. So let's check this. Let's check this. Let's check this particular one. As you can see, this is the position and the performance. You can see top 100 performance over 90 days. So the performance of coins as of 90 days ago, this is their performance. So Pigu has a good potential, which is a new listed token and is taking the chance of being a very good performance. So another one you need to know is those ones that perform well. So it's being ranked in this place. Bonk perform well, Flocky perform well, and Pepe too perform well. And those ones is the meme coin. So this is Wift perform well as well. So BTC perform well. It take a position of 40.43%. So that is all the project, the way they perform, and the one that not perform well is as well in this place. So that is how to check the one that perform well. So let's go back. So what else you need to know in this particular place? Let's check this Bitcoin and check. Okay, let's go back. So let's click on this. So this is what you need to know, the percentage that they take in the market and the position. BNB first, it takes 69.46%. Ethereum take 10.56%. and XRP take 4.82%, BNB take 2.84%, and Solana, Doge, the TRX, and ADA, and many of them. So that is the position that they take in the market. Let's click on view more. As you can see, we are on the view more. So as you can see, the total market cap is 226. So the amount that it increased as of this period, as you can see, this is the position that the way they take their position in the markets. BNB took first, take the largest space, and followed by Ethereum, followed by XRP, BNB, Solana, as in BTC take the first position, Ethereum, followed by Ethereum, followed by XRP, Solana, BNB, and so many of them. So I think this is all you need to know for now concerning this pumping price of a coin in the market. So as you can see, this is the price of Bonk that take one of the meme coin that take highest position in the market. So meme coin Bonk pump very heavily. So and there's a high chance that Bonk will do well in the nearest future. The total supply of bunk is 8.80 trillion bunk. So it ranks 45% in the market. So let's check another product. Let's check this pepper. Let's check pepper and see how much it is in the market. So here is pepper. Here is pepper. So as you can see, Pepe is trading at 0.401216. So there's a high chance that Pepe will do well as well. So we have kept at the end of this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel and at the same time turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And at the same time, don't mind my screen because I don't know what's wrong with this screen. So do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So be on the safe side. Make sure you subscribe because that gives us courage that okay, what we are doing is right. Then it will give us courage to do more. So hit the notification bell and at the same time like and share to your friends. So we have come to the end of today's edition. So be on the safe side and be blessed.